Face ID not working after updating to iOS 26 on your iPhone means you have to enter your passcode every time you swipe up to unlock. I know it can feel stressful. In this video, I will walk you through useful troubleshooting steps that actually help fix the issue. Solution 1 is the simplest and often the most effective. Perform a force restart. Don't worry, it's a simple restart. To do a force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your iPhone restart. Make sure to do this quickly. If you go too slowly, Siri might activate instead. So that's it, a quick and easy force restart for your iPhone. This process helps fix any minor software glitches or bugs that might have been causing problems. Solution 2 is to reset all settings. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and choose Reset All Settings. This will not delete your photos or apps, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Face ID configuration. Solution 3 is to clean the TrueDepth camera area. This is the notch or dynamic island at the top of your iPhone screen. Dirt, smudges, or even a screen protector covering the sensor can prevent Face ID from working properly. Gently wipe the area with a clean microfiber cloth and try again. Solution 4 is to reset Face ID completely. Go to Settings, then navigate to Face ID and Passcode. Then tap Reset Face ID. After that, set it up again from scratch. This clears old Face ID data and usually fixes problems after a major update. Solution 5 is to check for software updates. Apple sometimes releases quick fixes when Face ID issues are widespread. Open Settings, navigate to General, then Software Update. If a new update is available, download and install it. After the update finishes, test Face ID again. Finally, if Face ID is still not working after trying everything, it may be a hardware issue. The Face ID sensor could be damaged or failing. If your iPhone is still under warranty or covered by AppleCare, contact Apple support for a proper fix. That is all the ways you can troubleshoot Face ID not working after updating to iOS 26. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.